Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial designed for beginners to learn how to integrate the Radix-UI theme into a Next.js project. In this tutorial, we will use TypeScript and Tailwind CSS to enhance the functionality and styling of our application. Introduction to Radix-UI Theme, elevating your UI development experience. Embark on a journey of UI excellence with Radix-UI Theme, a choice that transcends the ordinary for Next.js projects. Tailored for beginners and seasoned developers alike, this tutorial navigates the integration of Radix-UI Theme with TypeScript and Tailwind CSS, providing a seamless fusion of powerful features. From effortless theming with the theme panel to the lightweight yet extensive component library, Radix-UI Theme redefines UI development. Its compatibility with Next.js ensures a fluid development experience, while TypeScript support and active community engagement enhance code quality and keep your projects up to date. Discover a UI framework that not only simplifies but elevates your development endeavors, delivering a superior and performant user interface. Step 1. Create project folder. Open Visual Studio Code and create a new Next.js project named MyApp by executing the following command in the terminal. npx create next at latest myapp TypeScript Tailwind ESLint. Step 2. Initialize Next.js project. In the terminal, run the following command to start the Next.js development server. npm run dev. Step 3. Modify page.tsx. Open the page.tsx file and remove all existing code within the main development. Step 4. Install Radix-UI Theme. In a new terminal, install the Radix-UI theme by executing npm install at Radix-UI themes. Step 5. Update layout.tsx. In the layout.tsx file, import theme and theme panel from at Radix-UI themes. Wrap the children between the theme tags and add the appearance equals dark attribute to set the theme to dark mode. Step 6. Run the development server. Execute npm run dev in the terminal. Step 7. Clean up globals.css. Remove all code from the globals.css file except for the top 3 lines related to Tailwind CSS. Step 8. Implement card in pagesindex.tsx. Replace the content of pagesindex.tsx with the following code. Use client. Import container, flex, heading, text, card, badge, from at Radix-UI themes. Import chat bubble icon, from at Radix-UI React icons. Export default function home. Return. Main class name equals flex minute h screen item center justify between p24. Container size equals 1. Flex direction equals column pb equals 4. Heading coding errors tracking system heading. Text color equals gray. Here you can find the issues relevant to your certain project. Text. Flex. Flex gap equals for direction equals column. Card. Flex gap equals 1 direction equals column. Text issue number 1 syntax error text. Flex gap equals 2. Badge color equals orange DevOps badge. Badge color equals blue UI badge. Flex. Text. Incorrect use of punctuation, braces, parentheses, or other syntax elements. Text. Flex justify equals between pt equals 1. Flex align equals center. Chat bubble icon. Text color equals gray ml equals 2 size equals 1 3 comments text. Flex. 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 Card. Flex. Container. Main. In the above code, if we do not specify colors and we can add colors of our choice from theme panel, which is a wonderful feature of Radix-UI theme. Step 9. Install Radix-UI icons. Install Radix-UI icons by running the following command. Step 10. Finalize and run. Run npm run dev one last time. Congratulations, your website is ready. Open your browser to see the results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy coding!